If you think agile marketing could be an effective way to work at your company, how can you implement it in your team? Here's the good news. We've laid out the 4 key steps you need to take to implement agile marketing across your organisation. 1. Bring your team together. You need to bring your team together under the agile methodology so everyone's on board. Each person needs to understand the goals and objectives of agile marketing and why your team is making the switch. For the process to work, your team needs a clear direction of what they want to achieve, like if there are specific customer journey points that need improving or a target market you want to acquire. Training comes into play here too. To embody an agile way of working, you need to make sure that your team has the proper marketing tools, web analytics, and technological infrastructure in place before you can get started. This will allow them to capture the data needed and respond to trends. 2. Plan the first sprint. Once the team is on board and sufficiently prepped, it's time to plan that first sprint. We're not talking marathons. Sprints are short bursts rather than extensive long-term marketing strategies. They can be as short as 2 weeks or perhaps as long as 6 weeks, depending on the specific goals you have for the sprint. Either way, you'll need to define the sprint and the time frame. When planning, your team needs to agree on a particular project and divide up roles and responsibilities. Work from the top of the priority backlog to the bottom until they run out of capacity for any remaining work. That's how you know you've drawn the line for the sprint. 3. Execute the sprint. Now your team members need to work independently, taking responsibility for their own tasks. This is where they can use their creative freedom and find a working style that is most productive for them. Daily stand-ups are a helpful tool in the agile methodology to help keep everyone on track and ensure they have what they need to complete their work. And 4. Review and analyse. Evaluation is key. When the sprint ends, you need to review the results. Conduct a sprint review by bringing your team together to discuss whether the sprint was completed and whether it yielded positive results. Review which goals were met and if anything has been missed. This is so you can discuss what you've learned about the workflow and whether your daily stand-ups were efficient. You can then take what you learned and incorporate those changes into the next cycle. If you want to keep uncovering more tips and tricks just like these, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and have notifications turned on so you never miss a new upload. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video where we dive deeper into the world of revenue marketing.